Hello, welcome back. Reason 21 today for polishing your shoes. It's a thing that you've known since you were a child. You don't put your socks on after you put your shoes on. You do things, anything you do it in the right order. And this thing that I'm doing here constantly reinforces the correct order of doing things. There's no point in putting all this wax polish and creating a mirror shine, then putting the cream on, because I'll kill it, stone dead. And you've seen me over the past few weeks quite carefully and deliberately putting things on these shoes, taking things off the shoes and adding things back, and now creating this mirror shine in a certain order. If you do things in the wrong order, you've got to go back and start again. And I've learnt this to my cost in all manner of different tasks that I've taken on. Woodwork, I like woodwork. I make gates as part of the thing that I do. And when you start painting them, if you've missed a bolt or you've not glued something down properly, the paint that you've done, it all helps, but you've got to start again to get the finish that you want. And it's just the same with shoes. There's no point doing things in the wrong order, because you've only got to go back and repeat yourself. So there you go, reason 21, sequencing, getting things done in the right order. How about those? Not there yet. For the next few times I'm going to start doing these heel stays and the rear of the back, the quarter there, and we'll see how we can get those up. Thanks for watching, see you tomorrow, reason 22.